again. So welcome to Python for Data Science. So in the previous video, we have seen why Python is preferred for data science, and I have said I'll show you a video in the next session. So a small recap last one in the last session what we have seen. I'll show you a small recap. So in the previous session, so we have started with why Python for data science. So and why is Python for data science preferred over other tools we have, and why it is easy to learn. We have seen what is the scalability, and we have compared in the previous year's graphs. So now let's watch the video. Mm,
You may have heard recently that Python is becoming the first language of choice for data scientists. Want to know why? Let us talk about it. Python is a general-purpose open-source programming language with a very strong and growing community of contributors and users. It has a clean syntax which is much simpler than C, C++, and even Java. It allows users to carry out object-oriented and functional programming. Python is generic, which means it has a large set of libraries to implement wide variety of tasks like building websites, back-end APIs, scripting, and much more. As there are so many people who program in Python, it is easy for new programmers to reach out to other experienced programmers whenever they need help. This popularity led to coming up of libraries to do tasks required for data science, and with that, it has grown in leaps and bounds over the last few years. As a result of this, Python has actually overtaken R, which had ruled data science for about a couple of decades. Let us look at the main features of Python that make it a strong language for data science. The capability of Python has been extended with its growing number of data analytics libraries such as NumPy, SciPy, Pandas, Stats Models, and Scikit-Learn. These libraries come with respective benefits. NumPy is used for fast mathematical operations such as performing matrix multiplications and many other mathematical functions for computations on arrays for any dimension. SciPy is also a scientific computing library that adds a collection of algorithms and high-level commands for manipulating and visualizing data. It also contains modules for optimization, linear algebra, integration, fast Fourier transform, signal, and image processing, and much more. Pandas provides
sorry for the disturbance.
easy-to-use data analysis tools and contains functions designed to make data analysis fast and easy. The Pandas Python library has two important data structures. The first one is the Pandas series, which is a one-dimensional array that can store several data types like strings, integers, and floats all together. Moreover, what makes it different from other standard arrays is its ability to index all its elements. The second data structure of Pandas library is the Pandas data frame, which is a two-dimensional series with indexes for both rows and columns. It is the primary choice for extracting Excel or an SQL table's data into Python and run various operations on it. The Pandas library provides a lot of functions which can be executed on series and data frames like average, sum, concatenate, group by, and order by, among others. Pandas makes it highly convenient and efficient to work on database data or Excel data. Scikit-Learn is a machine learning package for Python. Scikit-Learn includes support for many machine learning algorithms. It is the primary option for implementing simple and complex machine algorithms quickly. It is compatible with other Python libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and SciPy, which make it easy to understand and use. It has functions to build machine learning models like regression, support vector machines, SVMs, clustering, and many others. It also includes functions for calculating the accuracy of our models. Stats Models is a Python module that provides statistical functions for conducting statistical tests and statistical data exploration. Stats Models allows to explore data, estimate statistical models, and perform statistical tests. An extensive list of descriptive statistics, statistical tests, plotting functions, and result statistics are available in Stats Models for different types of data. Stat Models is built on top of mathematical libraries like NumPy, and it integrates really well with Pandas as well. With Python, you can also perform data visualization using some particular libraries like matplotlib and seaborn. Matplotlib is a Python library that supports 2D and 3D graphics. It is used to produce publication figures like histograms, power spectra, bar charts, box plots, pie charts, and scatter plots with just a few lines of code. Matplotlib easily integrates with Pandas data frames to make visualizations quickly and conveniently. However, for advanced visualizations, Matplotlib requires too much effort. Seaborn is another data visualization library which is based on Matplotlib. Seaborn builds on top of Matplotlib and introduces additional plot types. It also makes normal Matplotlib visualizations more elegant. Seaborn is mostly used to create complicated plots with ease. Heatmap is a commonly used visualization which can be created with Seaborn using just one line of code. Let us now look at the Integrated Development Editor (IDE) that has changed the way Python programmers can leverage code with documentation and live output all in the same document known as Notebook. Previously known as IPython Notebook, data scientists and analysts can present their reports in a storytelling format, as multiple blocks of code can be run with output of each block of code displayed right below it. It works as a magical organizer for data scientists. You can write code in multiple languages such as Python, R, and Scala. It makes your workflow much easier and efficient. Notebook documents are produced by the Jupyter Notebook app, which contain both computer code and rich text elements like paragraph, equations, figures, and links, etc. You must be curious to see the state of Python libraries in the area of future of data science, deep learning. Python's development for deep learning libraries like Google's TensorFlow and frameworks like Theano and TF-Learn have enabled the data scientists to build artificial neural networks. This has also contributed towards making Python a popular language for machine learning enthusiasts. The way the popularity of Python is overtaking R is evident from the survey conducted on Kaggle for data scientists. To make our point on why it is important to learn data science using Python, we will leave you with this extract
So
from
that's the
Kaggle
video.
Data Science Survey 2017.
So that is for today's session. So why Python is preferred than other
Let me tell you about this amazing offer from Udemy.
Python
Right now, they're having one of their biggest sales of
is
the year.
different. So I'll discuss the next topic, that is discuss this next topic. What is Python and uses and importance of Python in the next session. So thank you.